Right now, we are going to continue our app build. Right now, we're going to start to actually build out the app in detail. So when you open your workspace, you are presented with your app, which you'll click manage, and then which will open up into this back area. You see that the home tab is highlighted. The home section is highlighted, and within that you have 3 tabs: overview, relationship, funnel, and what's next. We're in the what's next tab, which is very important because it helps keep you on task with what you want to do with your app. So we've completed the branding, which is where we put in the logo. Of course, you can always change this back. You can, if you decide later on that you want to change anything that you previously put together, you can do that. So we're just going to follow along in what's next. The next is choose your app style. So we're going to click start. As you see, it says you're prompted, set the theme and menu layout that best suits your business needs. We're going to click start, and you are met with a custom theme wizard. You see that? Let's go. Okay, so as you see, we have what you see when we click this, we're in, you can decide if you want a customized theme or one created by the app. We have the pre-designed themes. You can configure your own custom theme, and then you have the live themes, which are premium themes. Let's go to pre-designed theme just to show you the power of it. So that's kind of by default click, but you can always change to configure your theme. All right, so we're going to click next. So these are all of the themes. As you can see, you can start any one of these and you can create the app that you want. All right, and I mean, it's just, the level of customization, the level of well, in this case, the choices that you have are many. And these are all, as you see, if you wanted to create a basketball app, you have that, soccer, tennis. And these are just all of the, you have these which are just clean. These are just kind of generic apps in this section. And then you have ones that are industry specific. There's an office building one. These are sort of the styled apps. Here's one if if you're in a school board app, you want to create a school board app. You have the industry specific. I'm going to go up a bit so we can look at that. I was talking before and not really showing you. So these are the gym, trainer. Skilled is just sort of a generic app build. So let's say if you're an architect or some other skilled laborer, providing some sort of skilled labor service, you might pick skilled. Clinics. You want to create a wedding app. There it is. So you can do all sorts of things. So I'm actually gonna go back. All right, I just wanted to show you the themes, and you could literally just click. As you said, you select the theme. Let's pick one just so that healthcare. You'd look like this, and then you just fill in your information. So, but what we're gonna do. So we're going to go back and we're going to configure our own custom theme. And then we click next. All right. And you can do all of this. All right. And what this does is this creates a background image, right? So if we wanted now you can, and this is where you would actually put up your own background image. Before, when we were putting it together, those were all, your logo and all that information. That was all sort of like a holder. Those were sort of like, holder images. You don't even have to do this part. You can just go with, if you liked the logo that it spat out, you could even go with those, right? And you would never, in which case you would never go to this style portion. But this is more for if you wanted to change what that previous, you know, what you built previous to this. So you can go in, you can click images, and you know, there's a image library. If we chose photography, this is a photography app. We could fill it with any one. We could use any one of these stock images. So let's just kind of play around, and I could just kind of spit something in. I could just pop that in if I wanted to, crop it, right, and apply. And then I could do the same thing for the magic menu image. And you could choose the same one if you wanted, but you know, let's do something different. Let's try, let's do something different. Let's go for, this is nice and generic. All right, then I could just kind of do something like this. You know, I don't really like that one. I don't like the way that crops. Let's do this one. Yeah, let's use that one instead. And of course, this is just the stock images. You can put anything in there that, if you have an image already, you can just drop that in there in its place, because you see the section where it goes. And of course, you can change image again. Let's click change image just so I can show you. You can upload your own image right there, okay? But we're going to keep this. All right, and this is what it looks like. You see the simulator here on the side. You see about us. That's your background image. All right, we're going to click save. All right. And then you can decide your color scheme as well. The color scheme that I have here, I think picked out is this one. So this just this is just the, you know, the different highlights, the buttons or what have you that are, you know, that are throughout the app. I like this one best, but you know, you can play around with these at any time, and you can change these. You can look and you can play around with it. You should really pick something and just kind of see how the buttons appear, and it's that simple. And then you get this congratulations, and then you get taken to your workspace. All right, so now remember, this was at 9%. Now we're at 13%. All right, and that's, you get taken to the overview. The business profile is now 13% complete, and we can add value and enrich your profile some more. You can click that. That will take you to the What's Next tab again, or you can just go straight to What's Next. Let's just go through the process. Really simple. And as you see, we have chosen our app style. So now we're going to get into the functional setup, and you know what, we're going to go through that in another video. I'm going to cut this one short, so that will be a separate video. All right, thank you.